A 4-day training workshop has been held for top directors and senior officers of the Lagos State Office of Quality Assurance, aimed at strengthening leadership and enhancing support systems for improved service delivery.
We have gone through training for the past 3 days. The second and the third day were very, very technical, handled technical issues that were germane to our operation as quality assurance practitioners. As directors, we will continue to monitor and mentor our downlines to ensure that all the training that we had in the last 2 days do not go are not swept under the carpet, are made use of, and with the view of improving the quality and increasing our productivity as an agency.
The event focused on equipping participants with strategies to drive the agency's long-term goals.
As a director or as body of directors, you must develop standards, guidelines, and actionable policies to achieve government education goals. According to Public Service Rule, Chapter 2, Section 2, Subsection 1, all your policies, where you find yourself, must align with Public Service Rule, because Public Service Rule is our Bible, is our constitution in civil service, guides us, so that you don't fall out of line. As directors, if you fail in your area of responsibility, you'll be queried and you may face PMB. That's the truth. There is no ignorance in law. What a level 13 officer will do and get away with it, as directors will not get away with it. Your primary assignment is align policies with Public Service Rule.
The workshop brought together key decision makers to sharpen their skills and align with the agency's strategic 10-year plan.
You should be innovative. You should be innovative. You should be able to think out of the box. You should be able to let people know that things can be possible, even when they say it's not possible. You have to look for means of letting them know that, no, we can do it this way, we can do it better than that. You should be a motivator. You should be able to motivate people. Let them know that, though you've been doing it like that, but there are other ways that you can do it better than that. Then try and let them see those ways. Then you should not be a pessimist. Don't let them see you as a sadist. Don't let them see you as somebody that will condemn whatever they have.
You have to be passionate about whatever you are doing. And if you have passion for what you are doing, you will be proactive. You won't want that thing to go wrong. So you have to give enough notice so that we can make adequate arrangements. And I always tell people, I don't mind you calling me at any point in time of the day or send me a message to let us know that you will be available. So you must be very, very proactive.
Facilitators highlighted the pillars required to achieve the plan, stressing on innovation, accountability, and effective leadership.
Leadership in Oeqa is not about titles, but about responsibilities. It is about ensuring that every child in Lagos State learns in an environment that is safe, inclusive, and conducive to growth. As directors and senior officers, let us recommit to being leaders who inspire trust, uphold professionalism, and embrace innovation. In so doing, we will strengthen Oeqa's impact and contribute significantly to the educational transformation agenda of Lagos State.
We need to publish papers. Those who are in school, they are just teaching. We are the ones going there. We have a research unit. We should write papers every year. For every term, we should release a paper, a journal, to show that we have gone to school for so number of weeks. We have observed this. We have done this research, and this is what we are coming up with. There is no other organization in Nigeria that should be releasing weekly or monthly or timely research on education but Oeqa, because we are the one that can see it all.
We are looking to how to move the agency forward. We are looking at what we can do in the next 10 years. Like we are planning to have an agency like the ones they have in ICANN, an institute where people can write exams. You know, if you are a banker, you have to go through ICANN, Chartered Institute of whatever. So we want to have that too in quality. I think it is high time we do that. Then we are looking at making Oeqa Lagos the signature of all eyes as the trailblazer and the role model for all other states, that people will come and be asking, people will be looking up to us for what we can offer to them.
For the directors and senior officers in attendance, the training serves as both a learning platform and a roadmap towards delivering better results in the years ahead.